Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am going to be reviewing, trying out for the first time / review of the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. I did a voting poll on my YouTube community, section, and yeah, y'all chose this. I think it was like 80% of y'all chose this, and so I'm doing it today. So if you want to get like a heads up on future videos, then check out my community polls and you can vote to see, or to kind of sway me on what to do next on my channel. But yeah, this is the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, and if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions, then just keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel in this video. Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing and trying out for the first time the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. And I have watched a few videos, and it seems like it's an all-over product. Like, people think it really depends on what you put underneath as a primer, how it's going to work, depending on your skin type. But just to let you know, in case this is your first time watching me, I have dry to normal skin, but right now, since the air is out, I am going to be sweating, so it looks like if I'm going to be oily, it's going to be now. And everything's really warm because I'm in front of the thing, and you're going to hear little birds in the background because I have the window open. And that's a little bit different for me, but that's what the packaging looks like. And people are comparing this to the It Cosmetics CC cream, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna use that much at first, and I'm just going to dab it on my face, and then I forgot to wet my beauty blender, so I guess I'll do that next, just to put it in. I did get the lightest shade, which my face is usually darker than my neck, which everybody's is, so I think it's a pretty good match for me, judging from my neck. I do want to get the one right above this. What color is this called? 020N Fair. So, which that was the lightest one that my local CVS had. It seems to be pretty easy to apply so far, but I'm not done with it yet, and I forgot to wet my sponge, so I'm probably going to let you go do that right quick. Normally I put my concealer on first and I forgot, but oh well. And if you're wondering what products I have on my face, other than this foundation, look in my description box below. I try to change up the products this time, and I realized I need to buy some more e.l.f. products. I really want to try their eyeshadow base next. But it does seem like it's really easy to apply. Like you saw, I just smeared it all over my face and it did really good. And now it's looking really good just blending it out with a sponge. It seems like it's blending very well and going on really smoothly. Far as the weight of the foundation, it's definitely, I wouldn't say lightweight. I can feel it on my face, but it might feel different when it dries down. So I'll go over that in a little bit. But right now I would say like a medium or heavy feeling, just right now, first applying it, because it is thick, but it looks like it's like medium coverage, a good medium. So far I think it has really good pigmentation. Alright, I'm going to go and finish up my makeup, but right before I go to do my intro and outro, I'll be right back, okay? I want to see how this foundation does with products on top of it. I got done with my makeup, but before I do my intro and outro, I wanted to go over a few little more things about this foundation and how it's feeling now that I have the whole makeup on. Let's go over the price. The It Cosmetics CC cream that this one is kind of similar to is $39.50, and this little bad boy, the e.l.f. CC cream, is only $14 even. And if you go on CVS's website, they have sales like all the time, and they're really good about fast shipping, normally 3 business days. Don't know if it's going to stay on or not. I will be leaving my final thoughts like at the end of the day when I do the description box. I'll leave my thoughts at the end of the day in the description box. So if you want to see if this lasts good and all that jazz and my final thoughts after a day of wearing it, then check that out. But it is looking really good so far. Look, with all of my makeup. And like I said, all of what else is on my face will be on in the description box too. So check that out if you're interested. The coverage, I say, is a good medium coverage. A real good medium coverage. It's definitely more full coverage than the Joah BB cream that I previously reviewed. So if you like more coverage, I definitely would go with this. But yeah, and I think I do prefer this one over that Joah BB cream, mainly just because I like more fuller coverage. I mean, if you're gonna do makeup, why not? Because I normally go by these little spots right here on my face. And it definitely was more noticeable with that BB cream than this CC cream. Is it greasy? Well, after setting it with powder, no, it's not. And I just did spray my face, so I shouldn't touch it too much. And it's a moisturizing setting spray, so I shouldn't touch it too much. But yeah, after I set it down with powder, I don't think it was sticky or greasy. It did have like a creamy texture, but I could feel it kind of drying down more than that Joah BB cream. So yeah. And as far as it feeling heavy or not, I would say it's in between. I would say it's like a good medium. It definitely feels heavier than the Joah BB cream, but it doesn't feel really heavy. Like, I can feel it on my skin, but it doesn't look cakey or nothing. So yeah, first impressions, I do like this e.l.f. CC cream better than the Joah BB cream that I reviewed before. I think it's an excellent foundation, but like I said, I'll have more info in the description box below. My final thoughts at the end of the day. But so far, I really, really love it and recommend it. Now I'm gonna go and get ready for my day and come back at you with my intro and outro. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my first impressions / review of the e.l.f. Camo CC cream. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!